Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Gigastone. This is their 7-in-1 Type-C USB power delivery hub. This can do up to 100-watt power delivery. If you plug in, say, your laptop's charger to this, you will get up to 100-watt charging out of this hub. It is a kind of an all-in-one device that is super sleek and very lightweight to carry around with you. To hook into, say, your tablet or your laptop to add more ports, we're going to dig into this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you get it out of the box, this is what you're going to get. Now again, you've got two USB ports on this. You do have an HDMI out on this, capable of 4K video. You do have a micro SD card slot and a full SD card slot. So you pretty much have a 7-in-1 hub here. So they do give you some documentation on the Hub P7, and I will try to leave this up for you if I miss anything on the ports. You can come back to this portion of the video here and you can check it out for yourself. Now it only weighs 48 grams. It's 128 by 28 by 10 millimeters. So we're talking a very, very slim and compact. This is going to be a single unit that you just plug into a USB Type-C port on your laptop, PC, Mac, or tablet, and you're going to have several ports here that are available to you. Now this first port is a female in port, and this is for, say, if you hook this up to your laptop, you can plug this power into that port, and then it will have a secondary charging effect, a pass-through charging effect to your laptop. Say you only have one USB port there on your laptop that you can use, or your tablet, it will do pass-through charging. Now you get two USB 3.0 ports at up to 5 gigabits per second. You also get a USB Type-C, and then you also get your SD and micro SD card slots there. Now on the end, we do have an HDMI output as well at up to 4K at 30 hertz. Not the greatest on the hertz, but still being able to output to an external screen for doing productivity work. This would definitely work well. So it's overall just easy and pocketable and very lightweight. Machined aluminum here, just a great build quality overall, and something easily thrown into a backpack or a bag to take with you when you need to be on the go. So here I've got my Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. Only has one USB Type-C port, so I've hooked up the hub to that. And if I want to hook up a mouse to this, be it wired or with a dongle for wireless mouse, you can see it's totally simple and easy. Just plug and play. No drivers required for the hub whatsoever on Android or any other platform. I can now navigate through this just as if I was using a desktop environment. Using DeX makes this work really well as well. So as you can see, no problems adding peripherals to this at all. I can get into my settings. I can go wherever I want to go. And of course, if I want to add a keyboard, I can also add a wired or wireless keyboard to this and make this a full-blown workstation, especially with using DeX. Now, we can also add in something like this, which will be a USB drive here. Obviously, depending on your USB drive, if it's super wide, it's not going to fit next to the other one, so make sure that you have a slimmer one that I'm using for demonstration here. But plugging this in is super simple, super easy, adds extra storage to my device. If I go into my files, you'll see now I have the 32 gigabyte drive that I just added here, and here are all my files here. So it pops up just instantly, adding more space. You can also use external hard drives on this as well, whatever you would like to add more space to your device. Now I think overall, the Hub P7 by Gigastone is great. I like that it's a single cable with no drivers needed for your laptop or your tablet, adding a lot of functionality, including up to 100 watts pass-through charging, dual USB ports, a full SD card, a micro SD card, and of course being able to output my display to an external display via that HDMI on the side there really works out well. Overall, I think this is a great product that they have. I like the build quality. It's simple and it's light. And easy to carry or pack away in a bag. If you guys are interested in this, I'll have a link in the description below to Gigastone. It is an affiliate link that will support my channel, and you can also use the code that I have down there to save 10% off anything on Gigastone. That is going to be Galaxy 10, and you can use that during checkout. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about the Hub P7, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.